In today's video, you are going to learn how to answer a call, transfer a caller, and put the caller on hold. So when you're on the screen that shows dashboard, like we are currently now, you might get a little red circle over to the side in the inbox that you would click on. If you're in the inbox, you'll actually get a toaster pop up. So I'm going to place the call so that you can see what it looks like when it comes through, and we will process the call. So we're going to be receiving it, and you see, here's my toaster pop-up. So I click on that, and now I am connected to the caller. And with that, I now have some calling options that I didn't have before. Over here to the right, if you hover here, you can see there is a hold button. So I click on this. The customer is now on hold. To get the customer back, all I do is come here, and there it says remove hold. Click on the arrow, and I'm now back connected to the customer. If I wanted to transfer the caller, that is where the arrow is. And there's two types of transfer. So I click there. It brings up my box where I would key in the extension. Now, I don't have an extension of someone internally, so I'm just going to use this external number that I've used for other training videos. And you see there's two types. There's the consultation, which I believe would be the one that you will do the most of, and the blind. When we do a consultation transfer, that is where you will be able to speak to the person on the other end first before you complete the transfer. So when I click on that, the call is going to go out. And when it goes out to the person that I'm trying to call, then you're going to see my choices change here. So the call comes into this person, and then when they answer it, I now have the ability to cancel the transfer, which would bring it back to me. Or if I go to the arrow, I can complete the transfer, which is what I'm going to do. So once I've done that, the call is now complete. Now that was a consultation transfer. If I had done just the blind transfer, it would be the exact same steps, but instead of hitting consultation, I would just hit the blind transfer, and the call is immediately sent off of my phone out to the other party, and I am no longer in the call. So that is how you transfer, put somebody on hold in Ignite Client.